The truck prices lately frustrates me so much. Ford and Ram are literally charging $40,000 or $50,000 for their trucks just for a base trim. And honestly, it's gotten kind of ridiculous. So when I tell you what GM just announced, you're gonna want to stick around because this one actually made me do a double take. They're bringing back the El Camino, and there are a lot of things you should know about it. Let's get into it. Number 1. The price of El Camino. The starting price is expected to be around $18,000 for a brand new truck. In 2024, I know what you're thinking. That can't be right. Trust me, I thought the same thing. But from everything that's come out so far, GM is serious about that number. And if they actually pull it off, this wouldn't just be the cheapest new truck you can buy. It could literally be the most affordable new vehicle in the entire country. That's a pretty wild sentence to say out loud. Number 2, what it actually is? So basically, GM is taking that legendary nameplate and putting it on something completely different. This is a compact unibody pickup. Think more along the lines of a Ford Maverick or a Hyundai Santa Cruz. That's the segment they're going after directly. And honestly, that's probably the right move. The compact truck space has been sitting there just waiting for more competition, and now it looks like it's actually getting some. This thing is going to be noticeably smaller than the Maverick, and I actually think that's a selling point, not a problem. Think about parking. Think about squeezing into a spot at the grocery store, or not feeling like you're flying a cargo plane every time you drive to work. Smaller also means lower insurance, better fuel economy, and just a simpler day-to-day experience. For a lot of people, that's exactly what they've been asking for, and nobody's been giving it to them. Until now, apparently. If you have watched till now, then please subscribe our channel and help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Number 3, let's talk about the powertrain. Okay, so this is the part that's going to make old-school El Camino fans do a spit take. No V8, not even close. The new El Camino is getting a hybrid powertrain, built around a 3-cylinder engine for a truck called the El Camino. But hear me out, this makes complete sense for who's actually going to buy this thing. If you're watching your budget and driving this truck every single day, fuel costs matter a lot. Every fill-up, every week, over years of ownership. That adds up. And a hybrid at this price point is going to absolutely embarrass conventional compact trucks at the pump. That efficiency advantage shows up constantly, not just on a spec sheet. Number 4, exterior and interior of new El Camino. Design-wise, it's going to look like a proper Chevy truck, just compact. You get that squared-off, muscular vibe from the Colorado and the Silverado, but scaled down. Bold lines, wide front end, purposeful stance. It reads as a truck, not some crossover with a bed awkwardly stapled on the back. So visually, it fits right into the Chevy family. It just doesn't take up half the parking lot. Now here's something that surprised me. The original El Camino was strictly 2 seats. That was it. Just you and maybe one other person, no rear passengers whatsoever. The new one is going double cab, full rear seating row. And honestly, that's just smart. Because think about who's actually buying a truck like this. Somebody who needs to do a supply run on a Tuesday and has kids to pick up from school on Friday. A 2-seat cab doesn't work for real life anymore. Inside, it's going to be practical first. Not luxury, not fancy, but not cheap feeling either. Durable materials, a driver-focused layout, a touchscreen, wireless phone integration, and current driver assistance stuff. Because even at $18,000, you still expect the basics to actually work. And apparently, GM agrees. Number 5, the towing capability. Now, before you think efficient and compact means weak, hold on. Towing capacity is expected to come in around 4,000 pounds. That's real. That'll handle a utility trailer, a small boat, a loaded haul for a small contractor. No problem. For years, the buyer who needed actual towing but didn't need a massive truck got basically shoved toward oversized, overpriced options because nothing smaller could handle the job. This changes that. And all-wheel drive is going to be on the table too, not for serious rock crawling or anything crazy, but for gravel roads, light trails, sketchy winter conditions, the kind of off-pavement stuff regular people actually deal with. It's there when you need it. So look, What GM is putting together here is actually kind of interesting. You've got a name everyone already knows and respects, on a compact truck that's actually sized for real life, with a hybrid powertrain that'll save you money every week, real towing numbers, AWD capability, and a double cab that works for families. All of it, starting at $18,000. That's not playing by the same rules as everyone else. That's flipping the whole table. It should be hitting the market within the next year, so keep an eye on this one.